our frontage is really messed up with dirt. I wanted to pick it with my hands, but honestly it's not what I can do. So I went straight to brainstorm. I went to the backyard where I packed some wood for some projects. I collected one and it looked exactly like this. I want to use this particular wood to form a rake, which will help me to clean up the dirt outside. I went straight to measure 14 inches from the wood, which I later cut out. The particular piece of the wood I cut out is what I will use to form the teeth of the rake with the help of these screws I am bringing out. This is a 3-inch screw, so I screwed it to the wood. If you notice, I slanted the screw. The reason being that when I will raise the handle of the rake, it will help to give me a 90 degrees of the screw to the ground, which will help to rake the waterproofs out there very well. So I used 6 screws here to help give me enough teeth that can do the work. So this is the result for the teeth. So the next thing is for us to screw the handle. So for the handle, I used about 3 screws here to help me brace it very well. Yeah, because it needs to be braced in a way that whenever you are making use of it, the handle will not shake. Let's screw one at the back and we are done with this part. Please, if you don't have a screw, it is not an excuse. You can actually make use of nails. Yeah, it will give you the same result. Yeah, this is the rake. You can see it is very nice and strong in its own way to do the work that we want to do with it. So let's go outside and see how it's going to do the work. Whoa, as you can see, it is raking it very well. I didn't even expect it will do it this way. So you can construct one of these and keep it so that any day you want to sanitize your environment, you can actually make use of it. Peace and love. See you on the next one.